Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Fan and this is a recorded video for week 1 day 2. Our first announcement, we will have a live Q&A for Outdoor Ed next Wednesday at 1 p.m. so please join us then. Second, we were voting for how you want the assignment to be named on Google Classroom. So far we have 79 votes for week 1 day 1 assignments and we have 51 votes for changing it to assignment number 1. So with that, we are going to go with the one with the highest votes. So we will stick with our current name way of how we will name the assignment. So we will continue to name them week 1 day 1 assignments. Last but not least, the Zoom link will always be posted on top of classwork for all your classes. So let's take a look in your Google Classroom. When you click on classwork, the first topic that you always see will always be your Zoom link. Once you click on your Zoom link, this is the link that we will be using from now on. Again, this week we are still meeting on Google Meet and then going into Zoom together for this entire week. So please join us in Google Meet and then we'll go to Zoom together. Now, today we are going to have practice time to go into Zoom. So again, if you miss our class today, please make sure to try to practice Zoom when you come back to class. Let's take a look at what are our 2 questions in Zoom today. Our first question is, which city did your group choose? There were 10 cities altogether on Gizmo: San Francisco, Kansas City, New York, Miami, etc. Which one did your group choose? Number 2, how is your group doing so far? Everyone is participating. Some people is participating. I'm the only one talking or no one is talking. So as I was doing the poll for each class, I see that there are many groups where some people is participating, but we also have a few groups where no one is talking or only one person is talking. So in the chat box in Zoom, we talk about what would an ideal breakout group looks like. So I want you to take a moment to think about this question as you're watching this video. What would an ideal breakout group looks like? Again, I know that we're still learning about Zoom. It is still something that is new for us. It is still something we're getting used to. But think about, if you can choose any breakout group, what would an ideal breakout group looks like? With that, today in your breakout group, this is your goal. You should be done with your hypothesis by now. If you have not finished it yet, make sure to write your hypothesis. Make sure to choose 2 cities if you haven't done so yet. Your main goal today is to collect data for both cities. What are the data that you should collect? Again, you want to make sure you choose the 2 cities, find the latitudes, find the highest and lowest temperature, and observe the climate of the month with the highest and lowest temperature. Remember, all of these are on Gizmo. So when you click on Gizmo right here, you do want to click in log in. If not, it's going to show you that you only have 5 minutes to work on this. When you log in, again under world map, after you choose the location, you find the latitude right here. Under the tab data, you will find this list of temperature. Again, the biggest number is the highest temperature and the smallest number is the lowest temperature. For example, in New York, I see that the lowest temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit in January. So I'll go to landscape in January and write an observation of what I see in January. I see that the highest temperature is 77 degrees in July. So I'm going to go to July and write one sentence what I see in July. So as you see my demonstration right here, for my data collection, I can have 2. You can write 2 cities right here: latitude highest temperature, lowest temperature, climate observation for the month with the highest temperature, and observation with the month with the lowest temperature. Tomorrow when we meet again, we'll work on the CR and we will also be analyzing the data. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.